I'd like to take a few moments to talk to you about some of the commonly asked questions we get here at MKF Lawyers in relation to motor vehicle accident claims from people who have questions such as, how much compensation am I likely to get? What are my chances of winning my case? How much is it going to cost in terms of legal fees? And how long will it take to resolve my case? Hi, my name's Floyd Bakewell. I'm one of the motor vehicle accident claim lawyers here at MKF Lawyers. I'd like to take a few moments to answer those questions. Let's jump into it. So, what compensation can I receive? Each case is dealt with on its individual facts, and the assessment of damages is based on the individual circumstances of the case. The legislative framework for these matters is quite complex, and getting legal advice in the outset means you can maximise what you can get in your pocket. There are things that everyone can claim for, irrespective of the thresholds under the framework, including past economic loss, future assistance, and medical expenses. There are then other losses that may be claimed which are dependent on meeting thresholds. They include the following: pain and suffering, future economic loss, business losses, and assistance from family. So, what are your chances of winning your case? There are several factors that affect your chance of winning your case, including liability. Who was at fault for the accident? If you're found to be partly at fault, it will reduce the compensation payout you will receive. Evidence. The stronger the evidence you have to support your claim, the better your chances of winning. This includes things like police reports, eyewitness statements, and medical evidence. Severity of injuries. The more serious your injuries, the more likely you are to receive a higher settlement or award. But sometimes less serious injuries can result in high settlements or awards. So, what will it cost me to pursue my motor vehicle accident compensation claim? Well, here at MKF Lawyers, we decided to be a no-win, no-fee legal firm. What that means is that you don't need to pay our legal fees until the end of the case, and only if you succeed in obtaining compensation. And there's no upfront cost in contacting us, and we'd love to discuss your case. How long does the process take, and what's involved? Well, it typically takes 18 months to progress your claim from the initial meeting through to an informal settlement conference, and it typically involves an initial phone call or in-person meeting to discuss your claim, and at that stage we'll be able to take a detailed statement of instructions from you. We will then obtain any relevant medical and financial records before we then obtain an injury scale value or ISV medical assessment from an appropriate doctor before we prepare and submit your detailed claim for consideration. There are critical time limits that apply in motor vehicle accident compensation claims. In particular, there is a 6-month time limit from the date of the motor vehicle accident to lodge your injury claim form with the relevant CTP insurer. Secondly, and most importantly, you must lodge your claim in court within 3 years of the date of the motor vehicle accident, or your right to claim compensation may be extinguished. To chat with us about your motor vehicle accident compensation claim, please click the Book Now button below to arrange a time to talk to us about your motor vehicle accident claim today.